You can find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Choose your size. Cut and glue this pattern with a sticky tape. Cut 2 identical details for front and back. Don't forget folding line. Zipper will be in the side seam. Add seam allowance 1 cm. Cut out the bottom part of the pattern. This will be underskirt. Cut 2 identical details for underskirt. Cut waist detail. Measure it to your waist before sewing. Glue on interlining adhesive to your waist detail. Folding line on this detail. Serge vertical edges of all skirt details. Sew side seams of the skirt. Break the seam on one edge. Make a place for the zipper. Do this for both skirt and underskirt layers. Sew skirt, underskirt, and waist part together. Connect skirt and underskirt layers on side seam, where you prepare the place for the zipper. Sew in secret zipper. the skirt probably will be uneven. It depends on the fabric you use. Measure the skirt from the ground with a ruler. Measure it on your figure. Cut off the parts where it's uneven. Baby lock or fold the bottom of the skirt. I use baby lock seam. Good luck!